Wow, I'm finally in New York City! I've dreamed of visiting this city for years. Today, I'll explore New York and learn English by talking to real people. So, let's go!
Excuse me?
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm trying to find Central Park.
Sure. Walk 2 blocks straight, turn left, you'll see the park on your right.
Thank you so much. Useful English. Excuse me. Could you tell me how to get there? Thank you so much. In New York, always wait for the walk signal. It's safe and easy to cross when the pedestrian light turns green. Look left, look right. Now let's cross. This park is beautiful even though the city is busy. I love hearing birds while skyscrapers surround me. Good afternoon. Could I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Your total is...
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too.
Useful English. Could I have... That's all. Here you go.
Excuse me, does this train go to Brooklyn?
Yes.
This is the right train. Perfect. Thank you. What an unforgettable day. Today I learned English while exploring New York. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to speak with confidence. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and follow English GF. See you in the next adventure.